The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is without a doubt the most anticipated Android phone of 2024. If reports about when Samsung will hold its next Unpacked event come true, it could come out as early as January 17th. People think that Samsung will take some of the newest iPhone features and use them in the Ultra, like giving it a metal body. However, Samsung's improvements to the camera and AI could also move smartphones forward. Samsung has already shown off one AI tool that will be in the flagship. Some have already been leaked, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have an AI live translate call tool that will let you talk to someone in another language and see their words translated in real time. A lot of information about Samsung's One UI 6.1 software has also been leaked. This shows that the Galaxy S24 Ultra should make it easy to move objects around in photos in the photo editor. You'll also be able to make pictures bigger than their original borders and fill in the background. A 144Hz screen that is very bright. At 2000 nits, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a very bright screen. But the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to beat it with a reported OLED panel that is 2500 nits bright. That's a big improvement over the 1750 Max Night on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It is also said that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a highest refresh rate of 144 Hz, which is faster than the 120 Hz display on the newest Pro iPhones. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip from Qualcomm will beat the A17 Pro in terms of speed and graphics. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and early benchmark numbers for the chip look good. We won't know how well the device works until we get it in our labs, but a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 reference design device scored 2329 on a single core and 7501 on a multi-core in Geekbench 6.1, which checks overall speed. One of the problems with the Galaxy S24 Ultra is that Samsung is said to be getting rid of the 10x optical zoom camera in favor of a 5x telephoto lens. The good news is that this sensor is said to go from 10 megapixels to 50 megapixels, which should make the pictures clearer than the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 12 megapixel 5x tensor prism lens. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's main sensor only has 48 megapixels, but Samsung's will stay at 200. This gives Samsung a quality edge. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.